press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in the previous session we discussed about safety and home and also it's the second chapter summary also. Today I am going to solve some question and answers. Okay. See, first main, tick the correct answer. Second main, answer the following questions. Okay. See, first main. Okay. Which one? Tick the correct answer. Okay. See, in this main, say they given one of the statement, be related statement, they given 4 options. See, ಆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಶಾರ್ಪನ್ pencils? What should we use to sharpen pencils? See, option first, a sharpener, a knife, a blade, any of these. See, which one is correct answer? Sharpener. So first one answer is what? Sharpener. So we use a sharpener to sharpen pencil. Don't use a knife or blades. See, knife and blades will cut your fingers. So that's why don't use what? Knife or blades to sharpen pencils. What do you have to use? Sharpener to use sharpen pencils. Okay. Next, you may get an electric shock if you touch a switch with wet hands. Second option, a TV remote, fruits, all of these. Yes, you may get an electric shock when you touch electric appliances with wet hands. Yes or no? When you touch switch or electrical appliances with wet hands, what happen? You may get what? Electric shock. See, if you touch fruits, you will get electric shock. No. TV remote, no. When you touch electric appliances or a switch with wet hands, you may get what? Electric shock. So option B. So second one question. So option A switch. A switch with wet hands. With wet hands. Okay. Next, we should not play with. We should not play with. First option, plastic bags, bed sheets, pillowcases, all of these. Yes, plastic bags, bed sheet, pillowcases. See, don't play with all these things. They are all playthings. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ playthings ಅಲ್ಲ. These are all what? ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನೋ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ plastic bags or bed sheet or pillowcases. Okay. So which option is correct? All of these. All of these. Next one, first aid. First aid should be given to an injured person. First aid should be given to an injured person. Option A, immediately. B option, after 1 hour. C option, when she or he is fit. D option, after 1 day. So first aid should be given to an injured person immediately. Immediately you should give what? First aid to injured person. Okay. Don't give first aid after 1 hour. So 1 hour ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ನೀಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಆರ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕೊಡೋ ನೀಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 day. ಸೊ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್ after 1 day, no use from first aid. So when you have to give first aid to injured person, immediately. So immediately you should give first aid to injured person. Okay. See, first main is finished. Which one? Take the correct answer is finished. So now we are going to answer the following questions. Okay. First question, Why do accident occur? Why do accident occurs? When we careless to follow safety rules, then accident occur. Yes or no? So ಯಾವಾಗ accident ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? When we are careless to follow safety rules. Is when we are careless to follow safety rules, accident occurs. Yes or no? Second question. How can we save at school? So how can we save at school? ಎಸ್ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇವ್ ಅಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬೈ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ blades to sharpen pencil. Okay, what we have to use? We use sharpener. What we have to use? Use a sharpener to sharpen pencils. And second point, always walk in a queue. Always walk in a queue and do not push each other. Yes or no? Always walk in a queue. And next, do not throw objects to anyone, so it may be get anyone. Okay, so that's right. And next, do not climb on desk. Do not climb on desk. You will slip and fall down and you will be broken what, legs and arms. So that's why don't steps on desk. Okay, how can you save in school? So use sharpener to sharpen pencil and always walk in a queue, so you'll be safe, okay, in school. And next question is what? How can we save it in the playground? Yes, in the playground ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಸ್, by using following methods. Which one? Play a fair game following rules. Okay, so play a fair game following rules. So see, some games have rules. So games ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. By following rules we are safe. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನು ಗೇಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾವು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಬಾಲ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ such like stones or a wood. Okay, don't throw any things on anyone, don't hurt to anyone, and wait for your turn at a swing. Do not push anyone. Yes or no? So wait for your swing. So wait for a swing. Do not push anyone, they will be fell down. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವರು ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that's why don't do like that. Okay, play a fair game following rules and do not push to anyone, do not hurt by using what? A bat or ball. Okay, next question. What is the use of zebra crossing? What is the use of zebra crossing? To cross the road. To cross the road, zebra crossing very useful to us. Yes or no? Next question. How can we be safe at home? How can we be safe at home? See, do not leave toys, bags, books lying on the floor. Do not leave your toys, bags and books lying on the floor. And be careful while walking on the bathroom floor. Be careful while walk on the bathroom floor. Next one, be careful with the sharp things like blades, knives and scissors. And do not run while climbing up and down on the stairs. Do not run while climbing up or down the stairs. Next, do not touch electrical appliances or switchboards with wet hands. You may get what? Electric shock. Yes or no? And do not go near the gas stove or hot pans. It will be hurt your and burns your skin. Yes or no? So which are the methods you should follow at home? So you don't leave your toys, books and notes lying on the floor, and be careful while walking on the floor of a bathroom, and be careful with the sharp things like knives, blades, scissors, and then do not run while climbing up or down the stairs, and do not touch electric appliances or also switchboards with wet hands, or do not go near to the gas stove or hot pans. Okay, next one. What is first aid? Yes, first aid is help. So, first aid is the help we give to an injured person before the doctor comes. First aid is the help we give to an injured person before doctor comes or before doctor arrives. Okay, next question. How can we take care of our house? How can we ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಮನೇನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಬೈ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, house should be swept and mopped every day. House should be swept and mopped every day. And waste material should be thrown in the dustbins. Material should be thrown in dustbin. That dustbin must should be covered. So that dustbin should be covered. See, cover ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ಲೇನ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡರ್ಟಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಜಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫುಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಆ ಫುಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನ ಇಂಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ covered. And drains from kitchen and bathroom should always be covered to keep the mosquito and cockroaches away. And curtains must be washed regularly. Dust the household appliances daily. By following these methods, our house should be clean. Yes or no? Next question. Where do we follow safety rules? Where we should follow safety rules? We follow safety rules everywhere, not only in a specific place. Everywhere should we follow what? Safety rules. Yes or no? Yes, at home, in school, in the playground, on the road, everywhere should we follow what? Safety rules. Okay. Next, here one of the activity given in your textbook. Yes or no? So which one? Make your own first aid kit. Make your own first aid kit. See, every home, so ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಎಸ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ home. It's maybe minor or a major. See, when you kept first aid box in your house, it will be used in a trouble time. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕಿಟ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. See how to do this activity. Here they given some instructions to do this activity to make a first aid kit. First, take a shoe box. So shoe box normally irutte alva. Shoe box or any boxes like small boxes are there. Okay, so by using these boxes, cover it with white chart paper. See, cover with that box with a white chart paper. Make a red plus a sign on the box. So make a red plus. So like this. Make a plus on the box. So red color in the plus mark madi. So it signifies what? Medicine. So next, on the top or side, write first aid kit. You just write your what? First aid kit. What you have to write? First aid kit. See, yes or no? So first aid kit. So ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಓನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕಿಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡೇಜ್, ಕಾಟನ್ ರೋಲ್, skin ointment, antiseptic cream and lotion, band-aid, scissors, bandage, etc. and keep them in the box. Which are the things you should keep in a first aid box? bandage, bandage, cotton roll, next skin ointment, skin ointment, next antiseptic cream and lotion and lotion, and then band aid, and then band aid, then scissors, scissors, and then last one bandage, etc. So just keep all these things in a first aid box. So first aid box ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ by using what, a shoe box or any boxes by using, and first you cover that box with a white chart paper and make this a red plus mark and write a first aid kit on box, and then what we have to keep in that box: bandage, cotton roll, skin ointment, antiseptic cream and lotion, band-aid, scissors, and then bandage. So you have to keep all these things in first aid kit. So this one is what? Assignment. So assignment in this lesson. Okay, you have to do this activity. So this is an activity you have to do. So this activity na, so it's not assignments, it's a activity. Sorry. So ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using shoe box and chart and pencils, and by using all this you have to do what? You have to make your own first aid kit. Okay, thank you my dear students.